Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging In channel. Today for this episode of Logging In, I will be showing you the process of how you can log in into the online banking account of GateCity.Bank. Now for that, you open the web browser on your PC and on the search bar you type in GateCity.Bank and press enter. This will direct you to the official web page of the bank, and here on the bank web page on the side of the right side on your screen you will see online banking, and there you provide your user ID and then password and click on login. With this you will be able to log in into your account. But if you forgot your password or your user ID, you can recover it as well. For that you need to click on the given forgot password, forgot user ID link, and you will be able to recover it. For forgotten password, you can click on the link and it will redirect to this web page. To recover the password, you need to provide your user ID, then your first name, your last name, and you need to click on submit. Once you click on submit, you will be directed to the another page with the instruction for how you can recover your password. It's the similar process for the user ID as well. You click open the forgot user ID link, and there you provide your first name, your last name, your email address, and your social security number. And then at the end you type in your account number. For that you need to click on the drop down menu and choose the type of account that you have and click on submit. Right after that you will be directed to the page for the further instruction of how you will be able to recover your ID. This is how you can easily log in and recover your account credential. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging In channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.